Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a little elephant. And we're going to just use some simple little shapes. And we're taking our inspiration from Melanie, our artist of the day. And this is how I started. So I'm going to set this aside. Like so, and I'm going to start with just some simple shapes, okay? Now, of course, I'm going to draw with marker. You guys draw with pencil so you can erase. So I'm going to start with his head. And what shape is his head? You're right, it is a circle. So I'm going to do a small circle. Now, of course, I would do this with pencil. So I'm going to do my circle like that, okay? Now, after I've done my circle, I'm going to add two smaller circles in the middle. So I'm going to do one here. I'm going to do one here. And then I'm going to give him some eyelids. These are his eyes. And then I'm going to do his iris and his pupil. So I'm going to do another circle. That's his iris part. And then I'm going to do this part, which is his pupil, which is I'm going to do black. Okay. So there's my elephant eyes. Now if I wanted to, I could give him some eyelashes, because I'm sure elephants have eyelashes, as we all do. Now I want to do his ears. And so I don't want to circle. I kind of want to do like an oval shape. Now, if it were me and I was drawing this, I would draw my complete oval shape and then erase the part in between here. But I'm going to instead take and I'm going to draw, go up and around and back like that. So there's one ear. And that is even more square and less oval than that one, but that's okay, I like that. So I'm going to try to do the same thing over on this side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. So there's my big elephant ears. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do his body before I go ahead and do his nose. So his body is another bigger circle right here at the bottom. It's going to be slightly bigger than this one. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go around like that. And I made him really fat. I barely have room for his feet. So I don't have to show his feet at all, but I'm going to go ahead and show them like they're going off the page. So I'm going to do like a little square, because that's all this is, like that. Like that. Now, if I wanted those to be his little legs, because let's say they're really short, let's say I could go ahead and do my lines like that, and I could do his toenails. I made him have 4 toenails. Oh my goodness. Okay, Miss Lysak. So there we go. I like this one better with the 3 toenails. So that's basically it. Now I want to do his trunk. So his trunk is what letter of the alphabet? Kind of backwards. Do you know what it is? The letter J, capital letter J. So you could do it this way backwards, or you could do it the other way. So I just kind of started from here, and I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to do a J like that. Then I'm going to do the other one. I want it to be thicker here, and then get a little narrower here. So I'm going to actually do it from this side, go up, like that. Now, again, if I were doing this in pencil, I would erase all of that right there. So there I can go ahead and do his little line. I could even do, if I really wanted to, the little bird on top. So I could do, here I did a little, kind of a banana shape for a bird. And up here I did a little circle bird. So up here I'm going to do a little, I'm going to do him up on the top of his head. So I'm going to do like a little smiley face. And then I'm going to do another little smiley face. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it and do a triangle like that. And there's that little bird. And then I'm going to do a little kind of a teardrop shape there for his little wings, right? Now, he's just sitting up there, so I don't need to show his claws or anything. But I can draw some grass. I can go ahead and maybe I'll do the little bird here, the little circle bird. Maybe he's looking up. And he's got his little wings like that, his feet like that. And then here I'm going to do his little bird beak like that. And so he's looking up at the elephant. So again, I could add some things like I could draw some lines here for to look like our artists that we're studying, and maybe color those each different colors. And of course, my elephant does not have to be gray. I can make my elephant pink. I can make him purple. Maybe he's got some polka dots on him, like a cow or something. So I'm going to make him colorful. So maybe he's going to have some stripes on his nose. Maybe I'm going to give him polka dots on his ears. So I'm going to do a polka dot here. And I'm going to do another polka dot here. And maybe another polka dot here. And another one here. And another one here. Maybe another one there. One there. So he's got polka dots. And so I'm going to do the same thing over here. So maybe try to kind of make it look the same. I don't care if it looks exactly the same. There we go. And yeah, I could even make sure that when I color in the birds, maybe they're a really bright color. Yeah, there we go.